New GPT-5 is absolutely insane. Today, I'm going to show you the new GPT-5 that just dropped. It can build entire apps in with just one simple request. Free users get access to reasoning AI for the first time ever. This is honestly the biggest jump we've seen in AI, and it's kind of wild. Hey, if we haven't met already, I'm the digital avatar of Julian Goldie, CEO of SEO agency Goldie Agency. Whilst he's helping clients get more leads and customers, I'm here to help you get the latest AI updates. OpenAI just dropped GPT-5. I've been testing it and I can tell you right now, this isn't just another update. Sam Altman teased us for weeks. He kept saying something big was coming. Then GPT-5 drops and it's everything we hoped for and more. But here's what most people don't get yet. This isn't just GPT-4 with a new number. This is completely different. And I'm going to show you exactly why this changes everything. First, what GPT-5 can actually do. Remember how GPT-4 was pretty good at coding? Well, GPT-5 just scored 74.9% on SWE Bench verified. That's a test where AI has to solve real coding problems from GitHub. To put that in perspective, that beats every other AI model out there. We're talking about AI that can now code better than most human programmers. But wait, GPT-5 scored 94.6% on advanced math problems. These are college-level math questions, and this thing solves them like its basic edition. GPT-5 isn't just one model anymore, it's actually a smart system that decides which version of itself to use based on what you're asking. Think about it like this. You have a team of experts. One is really fast and good at simple stuff. Another one is slower, but incredibly smart for hard problems. GPT-5 automatically picks which expert to use for your specific question. You don't have to think about it. You just ask and it figures out the best way to help you. And for the first time ever, free users get access to reasoning AI. That means even if you don't pay for ChatGPT, you can now use AI that actually thinks through problems step by step. This is huge because reasoning AI used to cost hundreds of dollars per month. GPT-5 is 45% less likely to make factual errors compared to GPT-4. When it's using its thinking mode, it's 80% less likely to hallucinate or make stuff up. You know what this means? You can finally trust AI to handle important business tasks without constantly fact-checking everything. Customer service, content creation, data analysis, all of this becomes way more reliable. This thing can do what OpenAI calls vibe coding. You describe what you want and GPT-5 builds it. No technical knowledge needed, no coding skills required, just describe your idea. But here's what's really crazy. GPT-5 is better at tool calling. That means it can use multiple different tools and apps to complete complex tasks. It can search the web, create documents, analyze data, and coordinate between different systems all by itself. And the speed improvement is insane. Sam Altman said going back to GPT-4 feels miserable now. I can confirm this is true. GPT-5 responds so much faster that GPT-4 feels broken in comparison. GPT-5 can handle complex workflows. It can manage entire projects. It can create business strategies, analyze competitors, write sales copy, and execute marketing campaigns. Now let me tell you about GPT-5 Pro. This is the premium version that thinks even longer and harder about complex problems. It scored 88.4% on GPQA, which are extremely difficult science questions. We're talking PhD level stuff. If you're in a technical field or you need AI for complex analysis, GPT-5 Pro is going to be worth every penny. But even the regular GPT-5 is light years ahead of anything we've had before. The instruction following is perfect, the reasoning is incredible, and the safety features mean you can trust it with sensitive business information. Speaking of safety, GPT-5 introduces something called safe completions. Instead of just refusing to answer certain questions, it gives you helpful, high-level information while staying within safety guidelines. This is huge for businesses because you can get answers to complex questions without hitting arbitrary limitations. GPT-5 comes in different sizes. There's regular GPT-5, GPT-5 Mini, and GPT-5 Nano. Each one is optimized for different use cases. Need something fast and cheap? Use GPT-5 Nano. Need maximum intelligence? Use regular GPT-5. Need a balance? GPT-5 Mini is perfect. This gives you incredible flexibility to optimize costs while getting exactly the intelligence you need for each task. If you want to take your AI game to the next level and scale your business with automation, you need to check out the AI Money Lab. We have 14,000 members sharing strategies, templates, and results. You'll get step-by-step tutorials and over 100 AI use cases. Link is in the comments and description. Now I've been testing this thing and I need to show you exactly what happened. I took the exact same prompt that OpenAI used on their website to demo GPT-5. It was supposed to create a jumping ball runner game in one shot. Here's what's crazy. GPT-5 couldn't get it to work. I tested it live and the code just didn't function. But when I ran the exact same prompt on Claude Opus 4.1, it worked perfectly. Created a beautiful playable game right away. Then I tried Sam Altman's example where he said to ask GPT-5 to use Beatbot to make a sick beat to celebrate GPT-5. This time GPT-5 took longer, but absolutely destroyed Claude, created this insane beat maker with controls for humanize, swing, BPM, and you can even mutate the beat. way more complex than anything Claude made. But here's where it gets interesting. I tested content creation using my favorite SEO prompt for SEO training China. GPT-5's title was actually better, but Claude's content felt way more natural and human. Claude was better optimized for search engines too. GPT-5 still has that AI fluff we've been seeing since GPT-3. So here's my honest ranking after all this testing. For the jumping ball game, Claude Opus 4.1 came first, GPT-5 second, Gemini dead last. But for complex interactive apps, GPT-5 wins. Now let me tell you about the coding capabilities, because this is where GPT-5 really shines. It doesn't just write code, it writes good code, clean, efficient, well-documented code that actually works. This means you can finally use AI to build real business tools without needing a development team. Landing pages, internal tools, data dashboards, customer portals, all of this is now possible with just natural language instructions. But here's what really blows my mind. GPT-5 can debug existing code and make it better. You can paste in code that's not working, and it will find the problems, fix them, and explain what was wrong. This is like having a senior developer available 24/7 for debugging and optimization. The customer service applications are incredible too. GPT-5 can handle complex customer inquiries, understand context from previous interactions, and provide helpful solutions while maintaining your brand voice. Because it's less likely to make factual errors, you can trust it to give accurate information about your products, policies, and procedures, and it can handle multiple languages fluently, which opens up global markets that might have been challenging to serve before. The data analysis capabilities deserve their own video. GPT-5 can process complex data sets, identify trends, create visualizations, and provide actionable insights. That kind of analysis used to require expensive consultants or specialized software. Now it's available to anyone with access to GPT-5. The research capabilities are also phenomenal. In your business by now, you're already behind, but GPT-5 gives you a chance to catch up quickly and potentially leapfrog your competition. The question isn't whether AI will transform your industry. The question is whether you'll be leading that transformation or scrambling to keep up. Julian Goldie reads every comment, so make sure you comment below and let me know what you think about GPT-5 and how you plan to use it in your business. Now, if you want to take your AI game to the next level and scale your business with automation, you need to check out my AI Profit Boardroom. We have over 1,000 members who are using AI to get more customers and save hundreds of hours with smart automation. This is where successful entrepreneurs go to stay ahead of the AI curve. The businesses that commit to AI implementation now will be the market leaders of tomorrow. Those that wait will be playing catch up for years. So what's your next step? Start using GPT-5 today. Begin with simple tasks and gradually integrate it into more complex workflows. The learning curve exists, but the payoff is exponential. And remember, this isn't just about efficiency, it's about possibilities that didn't exist before. New business models, new revenue streams, new ways to serve customers and solve problems. GPT-5 isn't just a better version of what came before, it's a platform for innovation and transformation. The question is, will you be a pioneer or a follower? If you want to book a free SEO strategy session to see how we can help you get more customers with cutting-edge AI strategies, check the link in the comments and description below. And if you want access to our complete SOP and process library, plus over 100 AI use cases and step-by-step tutorials, check out the AI Money Lab. We have 14,000 members sharing strategies, templates, and results. You'll get all the video notes from this channel, plus exclusive trainings you can't find anywhere else. Link is in the comments and description. The AI revolution is happening right now. GPT-5 just accelerated everything. The businesses that adapt quickly will thrive. Those that don't will struggle to survive. Which side of history do you want to be on? That's it for today. Make sure to subscribe for the latest AI updates, and I'll see you in the next video.